Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the curve on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. That means the lightness and the brightness of your picture. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device, select a picture and go to the adjust button next to the filter section at the bottom of the page. And here go to the second option, the curve, and just click to the line and just drag, and you can edit the color and the brightness and the light. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.